Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can fix Do Not Disturb mode turning on itself on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all we need to go to our setting. We can click on the start menu and then select the settings option, and then we have to open up the system setting. Okay, and in the system setting, go to the notifications and make sure you have turned off the Do Not Disturb mode on your Windows like this, and then make sure this feature is also off, the automatic Do Not Disturb. So if you have this feature on in your Windows, it means that the Do Not Disturb mode will be activated automatically even if you do not activate this mode. So make sure you have this feature off in your Windows. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix the Do Not Disturb mode turning on itself on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.